We are Pfanzelt Maschinenbau, a company specializing in forestry and municipal machinery. We are located here in Frankau, a district of Rettenbach, in the beautiful Allgäu region. We recently expanded our facilities with a new production hall, measuring approximately 100 by 30 meters, with some areas featuring 2 floors. This hall also houses part of our logistics operations, including a large storage facility where we keep various materials such as raw sheets, but also already processed sheets. This storage system supplies our machines with sheet metal and also supplies the assembly stations and bending machines. With this setup, we have created a fully integrated logistics concept that connects all parts of our operation. Our 2 MicroStep cutting machines are fed from a large stopper storage system with 4 buffer positions, accommodating 2 pallets for raw sheets and 2 pallets for finished parts.
Da liegen 2 mal Rohblechpaletten und 2 mal Fertigteilpaletten.
A fully automated handling system transfers the sheets to either the laser or plasma cutting machines.
Scheidanlagen werden die Bleche aufgelegt. Funktioniert alles vollautomatisch.
For example, when the laser system requires a 6 mm sheet, the storage system retrieves and delivers it directly to the machine, where the sheet is automatically loaded and cut. Once the parts are cut, the system works in reverse. The finished parts are transferred onto a pallet for cut parts and returned to storage. The process differs slightly for the plasma cutting machine, where material flows in only one direction. Raw sheets are loaded onto the plasma cutter, which is also equipped with drilling capability. It features a drill head and a rotary head for cutting bevels. The system allows us to process sheets up to 4 by 2 meters.
Wir können hier Phasen schneiden und wir können auch Bleche schneiden bis zu 4 mal 2 Meter.
The cut material exits on the opposite side of the machine, where it can be manually sorted and separated. The primary goal of this system was to minimize manual material handling, maintain the sheet metal inventory, and ensure storing of the processed sheets back in the storage. We have a better inventory overview, allowing us to plan the cutting more efficiently. The overall process efficiency has improved, and labor requirements have been reduced, meaning we can now operate the system with fewer personnel compared to the past.
Der Anlage schneiden wie früher.